Today is a super gloomy, just rainy fall day, and I wanted to make a quick cozy DIY video because I personally love creating on these types of days. Like, it's just cold out and grab my oversized flannel and sit down and make something. So I'm gonna be making 2 paintings, and don't worry, you don't have to be like crazy artistic for these to look good. And that's another reason why I wanted to make this video. Is I feel like a lot of people that are not artistic feel like they can't DIY and be artistic, when really you can, and it can turn out looking fantastico. So everyone knows that wall art can be super expensive, so I thought, why not just do this quick video and show you, because I have a lot of emptiness going on in my apartment right now. I got a new lamp though, and in here I sort of have it set up to be like my studio room. I got a new desk from IKEA, yay. Finally got my big silver mirror hung, it looks nice. And then I got some of these shelves hung. I don't know if I like it yet. That one probably doesn't work. The blinds look atrocious, so it's coming along. So it's super exciting because I can finally kind of decorate, so that's what I'm gonna do. So all I have for this is a $1 poster board that I got from the craft store, as well as a few acrylic paints that I'm just gonna mix up, and I'm gonna cut the poster board down to fit my frame size and then just see where it takes me. Okay, I think I like that, so let's let it dry and see how it turns out. So the next one is inspired off of these pair of boots that I found at the thrift store. Let me just show you. I saw these at the thrift store and they were not even in the shoe sections. They were meant to be, I swear. Look at these things. They are so cool. Look at them. Would you just, they're so insanely awesome. And I scored so hard. How can one be so passionate about a pair of boots? Well, I looked them up, and these are $500 boots, and I got them for $18. $500 boots. Pretty good deal, I'd say. That's pretty good. They're seriously unworn too. I love them so much because they're so weird. Like, I've never seen boots like these ever, shaped like that, and the sole coming out of the bottom a little bit. It's so cool. So they're inspiring me to do a painting of them, and I'm gonna hang it up in here. And I don't know where yet, but I'm gonna do it across 2 different frames with watercolors. right, so this is what I've come up with to style them. I put the big painting here on the shelf with this big lamp. I mean, it doesn't really work like at all, but it works for now because this room is so frustratingly dark. I don't know, I mean, it looks kind of cute for now. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you that I ended up putting this little quote in one of the paintings. Oh, I love it so much. I used to keep it on my like inspiration corkboard, but I thought it's gonna work perfectly, and it totally did. I love it. So totally use a quote like this to kind of make one of your DIYs or drawings or painting that you don't like so much. Like, I mean, look at this. This isn't that great, but just plopping it in the middle like that gives it some more depth and interest. But I just have it on the end of my desk here with a tiny little pumpkin candle, and I thought that was cute. Over here on my shelves, I put my other shoe painting right up there with my Canon AE1 and all my books and a little drawing that I did. And the sweet candle holder, look at this thing. It's so cool. I love it, but obviously I need a candle for it. So, you know, as you can see, it's coming together, sort of. These are some of the ways that I like to fill my space. As you could see, I do have tons of just thrifted and other DIY stuff that I already have. So let me know if you liked this little short cozy video. If you try these painting ideas, please tag me on Instagram. It would make my day. Oh my gosh, you guys, next week's video I am super stoked about. I am so pumped for this video. I'm showing you a ton of my thrifted closet in it. It's all about fall style. And I worked really hard in this video. I love it, and I hope you guys do too. So stay tuned for next Thursday because it will be posted then. And of course, thank you so much for watching this week, and I hope to see you soon.